In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product image on Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, choose Products. This takes you to your product list. To create something new, select Add Product. You'll land on the product setup page where you can fill in all the details and attach images. Start at the top by typing your product title. Keep it clear and descriptive so customers immediately understand what you're selling. Below that, add your product description. Focus on the key benefits, materials, sizing notes, and care instructions. Short paragraphs and scannable sentences help shoppers make faster decisions. Now let's add the image. In the media area, you have two choices. Click Upload. New to add a file from your computer, or choose Select Existing to pick an image that's already in your Shopify library. Select the image you want, then click Done to confirm. Aim for crisp, well-lit photos on a clean background. Square images often look best in most themes. 2048 by 2048 pixels is a great all-purpose size. Use JPEG or PNG formats, and keep file names meaningful for better organization. Next, set your pricing. Click the Price field and enter the amount you want customers to pay. If you track inventory, click the SKU field and type a unique identifier so you can manage stock accurately across systems and channels. Open More Details to reveal additional fields. Here, fill in any highlighted areas relevant to your store's setup. This might include vendor, collections, tags, or shipping-related information. If you see toggles or options highlighted, click them to match how you sell and ship the product. For example, whether you track quantity or require shipping. For compliance and shipping clarity, click Country of Origin and choose the correct country from the list. If you see a highlighted confirmation or selector related to this choice, click it to finalize. If your product comes in variations, click Add options like size or color. This lets you define options and values, such as small, medium, large, or different colors, so customers can pick exactly what they want. Keep names simple and consistent to make filtering and reporting easier later. Remember, each variant can have its own price and SKU, and you can assign images to variants after creating them. If your store uses category Metafields, click that section and fill in the fields that apply. These can power filters, display extra product info, or help with internal organization depending on your theme and apps. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product, complete with its image, is now ready for your storefront and sales channels.